If your mom and dad's number is still saved in your phone and they're still waiting for your call, listen carefully. Tomorrow, their voice might go silent forever. Before we begin this video, remember one thing. Life moves fast. We get so caught up in dreams, work, and daily struggles that we forget to speak to the very people who taught us how to walk, talk, and live. Mom and dad. The ones who gave up everything for us without asking for anything in return. If you still have them with you today, you're lucky. Because a day will come when even the sound of their voice won't be there anymore. Do you remember who held you when you were scared at night as a child? Whose lap gave you peace when you got hurt at school? Your parents have carried every one of your tears in their hearts. But today, have you ever seen their tears? Probably not, because parents don't cry out loud. They just keep it in. They won't tell you they feel lonely. They won't say how much they long to hear your voice. But we keep saying, I'm busy. I'll call later. I'm in a meeting. But what will you do when the phone rings one day and someone says, your dad is gone, or mom is in the ICU? Will you still say, I'm busy right now? Just remember one small thing. Time doesn't wait for anyone. Your parents need you now. They're getting older. Their vision is fading. Their knees hurt, but they still stand tall for you. You keep thinking, I'll do it later. There's still time. But sometimes, later never comes. And those who think one missed call, one missed dinner, or one missed hug doesn't matter. They break down the day, they find themselves standing at a grave, saying things like, Dad, I'm sorry I couldn't make time. Mom, I'm sorry I didn't understand. As we grow older, responsibilities grow too. Careers, marriage, kids, bills, promotions, and all this chaos. Our parents slowly fade from the center of our lives. But ask yourself, what you now call your priority, was it ever an option for your parents? No, you were always their number one. So now that they're aging and becoming lonely, can't you take out just a little time for them? We waste hours on social media, watching stories, playing games, but we don't have time to hear our mom's story or ask dad about his struggles. Just remember, relationships aren't for time pass. They're built with time. Your parents don't want gifts. They want you, your time, your attention, your words. Sit quietly with your mom sometime. Look in her eyes. She might have so much to say, but can't find the words. Talk to your dad when you're alone. He may be scared too. Scared you'll think he's weak. But this is the man who carried all your weaknesses on his shoulders. Now that he needs support, can't you be the strong hands he needs? Think about those whose parents are no longer here. What do they have left except regret? How many people say, I wish I'd made that call. I wish I had one more day with them. I wish I'd told them how much I love them. Don't reach that point, because once time passes, all that remains are memories and tears. A mom can handle any pain, but when her eyes quietly fill with tears, it's the loudest silence in the world. She won't say a word, but her heart is screaming. Why don't you talk to me, my child? Have you ever heard it? No. Then listen, today. Dad don't talk much, but every time they say, I'm fine, take care of yourself, just know they're hiding their pain because they don't want you to worry. But can't you call and simply ask, Dad, how are you? Really? That one sentence can bring peace to his heart. You can earn all the money in the world, but you'll never get back mom's warm hug or Dad's gentle hand on your head. The time you're not giving them today won't come back, even if you offer millions tomorrow. So give it now. Give it from the heart. Give it freely. We forward good morning texts and motivational quotes every day. But parents aren't just another message. They are real. They gave you life. Their value is far beyond anything you can send in a text. What hurts old parents the most? Not illness, but loneliness. They wait every day, longing to hear your voice, whispering your name, then falling silent. Don't leave them in that silence. If today were your last day, wouldn't you run to see your parents? Wouldn't you say, "I love you"? Wouldn't you hug them? Then what are you waiting for? There is no guarantee for tomorrow. Some people say, "My dad didn't do anything for me. My mom never understood me." But look from their eyes. Maybe they showed love in a way you didn't understand. They weren't perfect, but they were angels in human form. A parent's love has no conditions. They love you when you succeed, when you fail, when you're angry, or even when you cry. Can your friend, partner, or boss love you like that? There's still time. If your parents are alive, call them today. Tell them how much you love them. Give them the love they truly deserve. Make one simple rule. Just one 5-minute call a day. That's all it takes to warm their heart. Fill their final years with your love. Pause this video now. Pick up your phone. Call your parents. Tell them, "I love you. I'm sorry for not being there." But that's changing now. That one call can make their entire day. Earning money, getting fame, buying cars. That's not everything. A real son or daughter is one who wins their parents' hearts. One who holds their old hands with love. This video may end now, but your new beginning can start here. Bring your parents back into your life. Because one day they won't be there, and all that will be left is silence. Talk to them today. Understand them today. Hug them today, because tomorrow might be too late.